In this video, we're going to continue looking at basic math functions and statistical functions. So the next thing we're looking at is the non-adjacent ranges. I think I've already shown you an example of this in the previous video where we looked at having two different ranges in one function, such as sum. So I calculated two different ranges in the same function, right? So in most basic aggregate functions like sum, min, max, and average, you can use multiple ranges as arguments. And you separate them using a comma in the argument list. So let's go take a look at that. Oops. Let's try to, okay. There we go. So yeah, so if you want to, so this is just an example here, sum of two columns, okay? So you can go sum, so you can calculate this, right? And with a comma, you can also add the sum of this. So that's the sums of two different columns here, right? So that's how you would do two adjacent lists of values by using a comma. Right, let's move on to date function. So how Excel works is that Excel assigns serial numbers to dates. So the date January 1, 1900 is equivalent to number 1 actually. So they are using that as the number 1. So everything else is then every day after that is just added on as 1. So number 2 is January to 1900. So for example, January 1st, 2018 would then be 43101 because that's how many days that has passed since January 1st, 1900. So what this helps Excel do is then to find the difference between, a specific date and another date, right? And next is the today function. The today function displays the current date in the cell. Excel updates the today function results when you open or when you print the workbook. The today function does not require any arguments. It's just today and then the parentheses. Okay, so today and then the parentheses or the brackets. And it is empty, but you still have to include the parentheses. Okay. There's also the now function. The now function uses the computer's clock to display the current date and the military time that you last opened the workbook. The date and time is going to change every time that you open the workbook. So like the today function, the now function does not require arguments. It's just now and then open and close parentheses, but you must still include these parentheses. Okay. So updating now and today, both now and today functions display the date and time the workbook was last opened or last calculated. So these functions don't continuously update the date and time while the workbook is open. So to update the date and time, again, press F9 on your keyboard or click on the Formulas tab and click Calculate Now in the calculation group. Okay.